3 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of butter. One onion, 2 green peppers. .8 ounces of ground meat. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 onion, 2 portions of ground meat. 1 portion of ground meat, 2 onions, 1 portion of ground meat, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 onion, 1 curry. One teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin. Half a teaspoon of black pepper and mix. Add 3 eggs and mix. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. It's ready to serve. Goodbye.